Alright guys, before we start this video, I got a huge announcement. If I reach 4,000 subscribers on YouTube, that's right, 4,000 subscribers on YouTube, by September 8th, a week before Fall Rod Run and the Truck Fest event, I'm going to be giving away a GoPro at Fall Rod Run. That's right, you heard it, I'm giving away a GoPro at Fall Rod Run at the Truck Fest event. So make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if I get to 4,000 subscribers or more the better, the more I'll throw into this package. I'll be giving a GoPro away at Truck Fest at Fall Rod Run. Make sure you contact Tennessee Diesel Addictions if you have any questions, comments, or concerns about that event. So, we'll see you all there. Today guys, Trucks and Water here, and today is a great day. It's after work, it's about 4 o'clock, and I'm heading down to Chattanooga because we are going to TDA Extreme Truck and Jeep, or Scenic City Extreme Truck and Jeep Fest, hosted by Tennessee Diesel Addiction, now in Chattanooga, Tennessee.
The left 2 lanes to turn left onto the I-40 West ramp.
Thank you, Lola. It's gonna be a great weekend, full of the bros, and you know, just absolutely gonna be an awesome weekend. A bunch of trucks taking over Chattanooga, and we have a special guest coming on the channel. Y'all been wondering where they have been. But a dynamic duo is back, so cannot wait for that. But anyways, I'm gonna head down there. It's about an hour and 20-minute drive. So let's get on this little road trip. All right, guys, I think we got a fellow truck guy heading down to Chattanooga right now because it's a Tacoma. I just don't know whose it is. It's got some stance on it though. Damn, look at that ass. Oh, I think I know who that is. I just can't remember the freaking name of the Instagram. Dang it. That lovely part where you meet so many people you forget their names. Hey guys, I'm in Chattanooga now, and we're back! The dynamic duo is back together, that is right. We are down in Chattanooga this weekend, gonna tear up Truck Fest. Woo woo! And she just found out I have an indoor pass, and she's like, thank you so much.
I'm gonna be sweating.
Sweat, yeah, it's pretty humid and hot down here right now.
It's like 90 degrees.
Yeah, it's miserable to work in, let alone truck meeting. We're at the pre-party now.
Oh wait, hey, look at me, I'm a Dodge.
Damn. Is this a vortec?
Huh?
Is that a vortec?
No, it's a Yanmar.
Yes.
Hey, is it back there, bang? Yeah. Okay.
I think that's a vortec, bro.
No,
that's definitely vortec.
Suzu made a 4-cylinder model and I bought it.
Oh, so is that the horn?
What, that?
Yeah.
You tell me.
Okay.
You want to see it?
Yeah. Yeah, I want to see it.
Sorry, don't put your camera on it. It's ugly. I don't want to blind your viewers. Actually, don't even show them the truck. You're going to lose viewers.
Okay. So, we got the K1500.
Silverado! Damn it!
Yee, not even a real Powerstroke.
No, that's a, hey, no, that's a Model T. I don't know nothing about it. My dad bought it.
Ask you how his truck was running.
Oh sh.
How's your Model T run?
Well, we got the trucks and water part. All right, guys, we just got back from the truck meet. We're back in the hotel room, and I'm editing. She's editing photos or something or other.
Doing a quiz or something. Smart like that.
Yeah, online school stuff. Yay for college. Sticking college kids. Anything you want to say, Killian?
Stay in school, kids.
Yeah, stay in school. And guys, this is Saturday of the event, and we are rolling into Camp Jordan Arena right now, as Killian has a coughing fit. Oh, this is not sketch. This is not sketch at all. Oh my god. We got Chick-fil-A because we're cool like that. Oh sweet, I'm number 1.
Yeah, just diagonal, somewhat close to my brother's truck. It's already in there.
Got you. Oh wow. This is fancy. Very carefully.
Yeah, take my truck. I got my keys in here, but just be careful with the, you know, with the trans. If it goes into the wind.
The one was sitting diagonally across from him at the thing last night. At I forgot what they call it. Holy shit! This is like.
That's his brother's truck.
Yeah. All right, guys, we're at Scenic City Extreme Jeep and Truck Fest right now. We got a bunch of trucks that have already shown up, including my truck right there. Let me walk around talking to people.
Not right now.
Yeah, it is.
You'll have to put a rag down so she doesn't have tire shine on her.
Oh, yeah, dude, like.
Hi. Say hi for the YouTubes.
Hello. I got pissed on sports.
So how does it feel to drive a 6.0?
It sucks. It really does.
So any advice for the followers that want a 6.0?
Don't do it.
You heard that straight from the man, guys. Don't do it.
I buy a box of dildos every weekend.
God's name did you fit underneath my truck's the real question. What the? When Trucks with Water fans will do anything to talk to you, like, holy crap.
Best Jeep is number 4. I'm just gonna say all these and you come over to the TDA tent and get your awards after I get done. Best gas truck is number 27. Best Dodge is 92. Best Ford is 94. Best GM is 37. Best lifted is 20. Best suspension is 16. Best under construction is 82. Most unique is 29. And best of show is 23.
Yay! Woo! Alright guys, we just got done with the event, got some food and stuff like that, hung out with Hunter and all that stuff. He was down here. Right now we're probably gonna go into downtown Chattanooga real quick, check some stuff out, and then we'll probably be back there later tonight to do some photo shoots and whatnot. So yeah, it's kind of the game plan for right now. Okay guys, so we're in Chattanooga on Lookout Mountain right now. Just, it is Killian's first time being in Chattanooga, so I'm gonna show her all the sights and scenes of Chattanooga. So this is a place where it's kind of an unknown location. I've had in another vlog with Hunter down at the farm, but if you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. But it's a hidden gem. If you want to know where the place is at, DM me on Instagram or something like that, and I'll send you the address to it. But it's a really cool location called Sunset Rock. I've been here, I think it's my 3rd or 4th time going here. So it's a really cool place, like very, very cool. A lot of historic aspects to it too. We're in downtown Chattanooga. It's about 10:30 or so at night. We're getting some clips of the truck and whatnot for some videos and stuff like that. Doing some photo shoots and stuff like that. Killian's killing it, of course. But yeah, it's gonna look really, really good.
I'm stealing the show. So this is chapter 1 of Killian's gonna make Josh live his life because he's a pansy and he's scared of everything, and so I'm gonna make him live his life. Josh, run this. It's yellow. Run it. See, pansy. We could have made it.
How in the hell could we have made it?
You got a gas pedal, don't you? Lord. You wanna have? Right? She's racing. She's racing. Josh.
What?
He just let her win. He just let her win.
Yeah.
There's no one coming. You can do stupid things as long as you're being smart about what you do.
You are a horrible influence. I'm just saying that. I'm gonna get that off my chest now. You're a very horrible influence.
I'm not a bad influence, actually. Cop, no stop. No cop, no stop. That was a rolling stop, so we're getting somewhere.
God bless. I can't believe it.
That was a little bit bad. We got a hot firefighter. Okay.
Killian's on fire. Can you put her out?
Oh, the things I can say right now. Hey. I literally got pulled over the other night and I was parked. You know why I was parked? Because I ran over a possum, and I parked in the old fire station that my dad used to work at for like 8 years. And I was like in the parking lot, and he like was driving down the other road that goes past the road that the fire station's on, and like saw me sitting there and pulled in, and I was like, oh, like I saw him, and I was like, because I was on my phone and I wasn't in park, and I was just sitting there like hitting the brakes, and he flipped his lights on and like pulled in behind me, and I was like, fuck. So like got off the phone, put it in park. He walks up to my window and he's like, hey, like, what are you doing? Da, da, da. And I'm like, oh yeah, like I hit a possum, and I'm debating on whether or not I want to turn around and see if it's okay, because I'm gonna be really upset if it's like hurt but still alive, and I'm probably gonna cry a lot. And I was like already in tears because I felt so bad. And he was like, oh, he was so nice. He was like, oh, like, I'm sorry, and like, I'll go check and see if it's okay for you. And he was like, you take as much time as you want, you stay here. And
We found this really cool, like, Killian,
found
sorry.
It's really cool, yeah.
Like, mini looking sketchy ass park room.
God.
Oh shit. Well, I don't know how long it's been stuck there, but we found a Pop-Tart wrapper for a blueberry.
Oh my god, that was hysterical. What if I could, like...
Oh, look at you. Why hold this?
Josh is showing off right now. I don't know if I could grab it and hold on. I definitely can't do pull-ups because I'm a weak girl.
You heard it live on Trucks and Water.
And there's unintended traffic cones over here. And I'm not doing anything. So I think we're gonna have Josh be cone life right now. Look, it's even a good color.
Get off my cat. Nasty ass cone.
Take some cone life. Take some cone life pics. This is actual Trucks and Water, but it's actually like to be with him. Just Truck slide! Woo! Do it again, we need another angle. Gotta get that booty. Ooh, boy. Ooh, look at that.
Hey guys, we just departed Killian. She shot for her for helping me out with the truck and had the truck me and everything. You're awesome. Make sure you go follow her on Instagram, guys. She's one hell of a photographer. Anyway, so I'm heading back to Knoxville now, heading back home and do some homework and editing and the usual and all that fun stuff. So yeah, so we'll see how this road trip goes. It's only about an hour and 40-minute drive, if that. Ain't too bad, but I might get through some of this traffic because this light would be great. But yeah, it was a fantastic weekend. I can't thank everyone so much for coming out and saying hi to me, talking to me. I met so many amazing fans, guys. You all are truly the best, and for taking time out of your day to come and see the truck and talk and everything. I mean, I'm very humbled and very blessed to have a fan base that I do. So thank you all so much for that, and we'll see where the rest of the day goes. I just filled up the truck. We're about, I don't know, 30 minutes away from home now. It's been a good trip. Got us, see the truck on cruise about 75, 78 miles an hour. Just cruise on up here. T got into West Knox, and now its traffic is gone to complete crap. Because people know how to drive and just stay in the lane. But anyways, just passed by, I didn't get my camera out in time, but passed by a nice Ram 2500 Mega Cab. I think on 22x14s. Really nice black. It had a sport bike, a Honda, it looked like a CBR 600 or 1000 RR in the back of the bed. Really nice truck, but yeah, other than that, it's been a very grateful, great trip back up, and knock on wood and pray to God nothing else happens. Really cool open header rat rod from Florida. Alright guys, I made it back to the house. This is where I'm going to end this week's vlog. It's been an action-packed week. I'm tired, but I gotta get some stuff done. But thank you all so much for watching the vlog. If you liked the video, leave a like. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Remember, if I get to 4,000 subscribers or more by the week before Rod Run, so in the Truck Fest event, I'll be giving away a GoPro at Truck Fest. So thank y'all so much for watching. All of you have a great day, and remember, never give up on your dreams.